Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are going to discuss about the facts and figures of the Muslims in the United States of America. Dear viewers, today the whole world needs peace, brotherhood, harmony and satisfaction of mind and heart. And no doubt, every religion is trying to focus on all these aspects. Islam in particular emphasizes and teaches its followers all these beautiful aspects. The Muslims all over the world are trying their best to contribute in every field of life. Wherever they live, wherever they go, they are taking part in the progress and advancement of the culture, trade, education, social activities of that country. In the United States of America, Islam has become an emerging religion according to Pew Research Center. And what is Pew Research Center? It's a non-partisan American think tank founded by Andrew Kohut in 2004. According to it, there live 2.6 million Muslims in America, and there are about 1,500 mosques and Islamic centers in USA. And a new research reveals that there live 8 million Muslims in USA. Islam has become the third largest religion in USA.